Welcome everyone. Recently we have launched our new certification wherein you can do the assessment, get a unique code as you can see to verify by your organization and and add it on LinkedIn. Many people just put the certificate and there is no verification of authority or whether the person has actually done the certification and what are the details stored, or has he just made it in any other tool and shared it. That is why we restructured our certification approach and we added this unique QR code with the credential ID for every user, and the certifications are valid for a year. I will quickly show you guys in LinkedIn how to add it so that you will be able to see the value of this certification. So if you go to your profile in LinkedIn, you can go to certification below here and you can see this particular thing that is added here. I will just click I just want to edit this one and I want to update the credential ID that I have used here. So this is the name of the course, organization. I took this in March 2024. It is valid only for a year. Why? Because certifications keep updating regularly. And now my verification, unique verification code for my certificate is this. So I just want to add this and save. And you can also add the skills. I just want to show you. So now this is shown here. So the unique code is generated, if you can see here, and if you click show credentials, then the website that is linked with the certification number will get popped up here. If you can just see. Yeah, just give couple of seconds for it is loading. Yeah, Mohammad Arshad Ahmed, this certification number with all the other people who have taken the certification number, those details are here. So this is the way that you can add your certificate. I will just show you again how to add it. Once you have the number with you, just click here, add the name of the company, that is Decoding Data Science, the issuing organization. Then you can add the name of the certificate, the date, credential ID, the one that is given in your certificate, and the URL that is decodingdatascience.com/certification to make sure for them to check the certificate number is there or not. And then you can also add that particular skill if you have taken the certificate, because LinkedIn gives a lot of importance to skills level and assessment level that you have shown on the tool. So as you can see, you can put Python programming once this is done. So this is the advantage of this particular thing, how you can now get this certification. Some ground rules is you need to first log in to let me just close this, the LMS system that is there, which I will quickly show you, and I'll also put it down on the link for you guys. This is where Academy. So right now we have 3 certifications live, updated as of March 2024. This one I'm showing you. The duration is 30 minutes, 15 questions covering basic concepts, and the grading is for each incorrect, 25% of the marks is deducted to make sure that you don't do any random guesses, and the passing score is a minimum of 70%. So you get started, you put your details, number, if the guild number that you have registered, the email that you have registered for guild. Number is not mandatory, but it is up to you. Then you start the assessment. You have 30 minutes to do the assessment. I have reached maximum tries, so let me I am just doing some demos, so let me just take another email ID. So these are the questions that have started coming in, and you can play around with this. Once you do all the exam questions, the best part I just wanted to quickly show you, you need to select some questions. I have not made the tough ones non-mandatory, but most of them are yeah. This is mandatory because it is simple. So once I just wanted to show you something that we have done is right now it is 6%. You did not pass, that is fine, but show answers. There is a proper explanation of the code. This is one thing that I wanted to show. Not only this is good for your certification, but it is also good for your learning. So you will be able to see the certification explanation also in details, and this is a very powerful way that you can do. If you clear the assessment, then you can get the certificate. Right now I just wanted to show you a demo about the learning and the question explanation that you will get, because at the end of the day you need to skill up. This certificate is one of the 6 foundational certificates that are there. Basic Python is one of them. We have Python for data science, which is also released, and SQL is also released. SQL for basic SQL is there, that is also released, and you can have a look and do the certifications in the Academy portal that is also there, nas.io/artificial intelligence. All the assessments are there together in this particular area. I'll just quickly show you. The link will also be shared below. Get your certification. Any questions is there, let us know. The power of the certification is you will be able to learn, get the certificate live, put it on LinkedIn, because many companies ask for the certifications, the details that are there. See, and more recent the certificate, more better it is. So keep doing this thing in a you can say yeah. When you go to, I just wanted to show you, I'll also put this link. So right now these skills are there. Part of the 6 foundational courses is going to be separate, but these are some of the assessments that are there. Right now Python is updated, Python for data science is updated, SQL basic assessment is updated. We are not going to have 2, we are only going to have 1, which contains Windows functions also. The basic SQL and the intermediate SQL. You don't need to be advanced SQL knowledge for data science and AI role, because this is not specific to data engineering or database administration role. This is just basic role. So these are the certification overviews that are there. More information coming out, so go and get this certificate. It is a very good opportunity for you to showcase your skill, and for any internships or project based work that we are going to do, we will be requiring foundational certificates from the students to be part of it. And this is one of the ways to test whether a person has really knows what he does. And it is not that tough. If you read the question, you can take the help of internet, also solve the logic. After you solve the logic, if something is wrong, or if you are even copy pasting it from the internet, at least learn how that has been solved, so that in the future you can do it without cheating or without looking at the solution again, which is a learning experience. So coding is going to stay. Learn the skills that are there, be part of the community initiatives, and see you in the next video.